Have you ever thought of an ancient diet you didn't know you need? A diet that doesn't involve you counting calories or obsessing over the carbohydrate content of every meal? Well, this diet exists, and it's called fasting. Fasting, if you're not familiar with the term, is the deliberate abstention from consuming food for a specific period. It's a practice as old as humanity itself, and it's making a comeback in the modern world for its numerous health benefits. Fasting is more than just a way to shed those extra pounds. It's a lifestyle that holds the potential to boost your mental clarity, improve your physical health, and even extend your lifespan. So what makes fasting so beneficial? Let's delve into the science behind it. Firstly, fasting allows your body to enter a state of ketosis. This is a metabolic state where your body burns fat for energy instead of carbohydrates. It's a powerful way to lose weight and maintain a healthy body composition. Secondly, fasting helps to improve brain function. It does this by increasing the production of a protein in the brain called brain-derived neurotrophic factor. This protein promotes the health of nerve cells, improving memory, learning, and mood. Thirdly, fasting promotes autophagy. This is a process where your body cleans out damaged cells, helping to prevent diseases such as cancer and Alzheimer's. Fourthly, fasting improves insulin sensitivity, helping to prevent type 2 diabetes. It also helps to reduce inflammation, a key driver of many chronic diseases. And finally, fasting can extend your lifespan. Studies have shown that animals who fast live longer, and the same could be true for humans. In essence, fasting is a simple yet powerful tool for health and longevity. It's a practice that requires discipline and commitment, but the rewards are well worth it. To summarize, fasting is not just a diet. It's a way of life that can bring about profound changes in your physical health, mental clarity, and overall well-being. It promotes weight loss, improves brain function, enhances cellular health, improves insulin sensitivity, reduces inflammation, and could even extend your lifespan. So, next time you're contemplating the ultimate diet, remember fasting. It's not about deprivation, but rather about giving your body the time it needs to rest, rejuvenate, and heal. It's about embracing a lifestyle that aligns with our evolutionary heritage and promotes optimal health. Fasting is not just about what you eat, but when you eat. It's about listening to your body and giving it the nourishment it needs, when it needs it. And most importantly, it's about understanding that health is not just the absence of disease, but a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being. So, are you ready to embark on a journey towards better health and longevity? Are you ready to discover the ultimate diet you didn't know you need? The choice is yours.